So when you're in college, you obviously don't want to wear a lot of heavy makeup because it's going to be really hot and you will have to be attending a lot of classes. So here are just a list of few products that I like using. So first, obviously we're going to go ahead and use a good sunscreen. This also doubles up as a good moisturizer. Then I'm going to go ahead with the concealer. I prefer concealer over BB creams or CC creams. I know a lot of people use BB creams for daytime, but I feel like concealer does the job better. It conceals the imperfections and it just looks a lot more natural. Then I'm going to use a brown eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with that. And yes, you guys guessed it, I'm also going to go ahead and line my eyes with the same color. Now brown liners make the eyes look a lot more natural. Then I'm going to go ahead with a lipstick and I'm just using a nice pink color over here that suits a lot of Indian skin tones. And then you guys guessed it again, I'm going to go ahead and use it as a blush too, and also using a creamy blush makes it look a lot more natural, hence I'm using the lipstick itself. And last but not the least, a nice coat of mascara. I know a lot of you guys love using mascara. And yeah, that's it guys, it's as simple as that. It's such a nice effortless look and it just looks very natural and like perfect for college. So there you go.